If you've ever opened a Google Drive file and hit that frustrating access denied screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to request access in Google Drive in just a few simple steps. This is a quick but important skill, especially if you're trying to open a shared file for school, work, or a team project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to send the request properly and what happens after you click it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Google Drive file link you were given or paste the link directly into your browser. Once the page loads, Google Drive will usually show a message telling you that you don't currently have permission to view the file. Right there on the screen, you'll see the option that says Request Access. This is the button you need to use to ask the file owner for permission. Go ahead and click Request Access. In some cases, Google Drive may bring up a small message box or an additional prompt where you can include a note for the owner. If that message box appears, this is your chance to briefly explain why you need access. Keep it short and clear. For example, you could write, "Please give me access to this file." That simple message is usually enough. After you've added your note, click Send Request. Once you do that, your request is sent directly to the file owner. Google Drive automatically notifies them by email, so they'll know someone is asking for access. From there, the owner can either approve your request or deny it depending on their sharing settings. If the owner approves your request, you'll receive an email letting you know that access has been granted. After that, you can reopen the file and view it normally. If they deny the request, then you won't be able to access the file unless they manually change the sharing permissions and send you a new link. A few quick tips here. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before requesting access, especially if this is for work or school. Second, if you're requesting access to an important file, use a polite message so the owner understands who you are and why you need it. And third, don't keep sending the request over and over. One clear request is usually enough, so that's it. Requesting access in Google Drive is fast, simple, and only takes a few seconds. Open the file, click Request Access, add a short message if needed, and send the request. Then just wait for the owner to approve it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.